How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I was gifted this Ancestry DNA Kit by somebody who I've never met, and I'm not going to call any names. Anyway, before I provide the DNA sample that they want, I want to show y'all how it comes. This is Ancestry DNA. Okay, I've already activated my account online. That's a prerequisite. And this is how it comes. Comes with the activation code on the pamphlet that explains everything. And the activation code is also on the little vial that you're supposed to provide your product of DNA. It's like that. That's the vial. And it comes with the box where you mail your stuff back to them. Put the vial in here and just mail it back, and they can track me by using my activation code. So this is what this looks like. Coding up my code. That's what that looks like. It's a tube in here. Once I provide the sample, saliva sample, I'm supposed to put it in this bag, seal it up, put the whole thing in the box, and then put it in the mailbox. We'll take it to the post office. So I never knew how these things came. So Walter has already done his. He may tell you one day what he's mixed with, but I found it quite interesting. He's mixed with Filipino and Congo and some more stuff. But I found that very interesting. So it's interesting to see what I'm mixed with, my DNA. So they said it takes from 6 to 8 weeks to get the results back. So I will keep y'all posted. Because some people ask me, what you mix with? And I tell them black and blacker. So we will soon find out exactly what I mix with. And I'm going to share it with my honeys. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching this little 3-minute video, which is rare for me. Thumbnail. Y'all see that? Okay. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. I'm about to get in there and make some peach cobbler. Bye.